What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best countertop ovens in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these countertop ovens, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Oster Extra Large Countertop Convection Oven. Though countertop ovens are generally more energy efficient than wall ovens or oven-stove combinations, this particular model uses an extra impressive 50% less energy while still giving you great results. In our tests, it cooked a juicy meatloaf in just 45 minutes. Size is usually the big disadvantage of a countertop oven over a traditional one, but the Oster Extra Large truly lives up to its name. It can accommodate 2 16-inch pizzas, 18 slices of bread, or, as we discovered, a full family-size chicken. It has a maximum temperature setting of 450 degrees, and its 90-minute timer automatically turns the oven off in case you get distracted. It's easy to use, thanks to convenient digital settings for baking, broiling, toasting, and defrosting. There's also a dedicated pizza function as well as a warming feature to keep food hot while the rest of your meal cooks. We are particularly fond of the glass door since it offers a large view window to let you see what's cooking without having to open the oven, but it is a bit delicate, so be gentle with it. Another feature we adore is how easy it is to clean. The control panel is entirely digital, so there are no dials, knobs, or crevices to collect dirt and grease. The bottom line is, any family would be hard-pressed to find a more spacious option with higher efficiency. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Pro. Though you'll pay a hefty price for this countertop oven, it's well worth the money. The 1,800 watts of power and optional convection heating help to roast meat, toast bread, and bake in less time than traditional countertop ovens. The smart heating system provides more consistent power, so your food is also cooked to perfection each time. Altogether, this model boasts 9 different preset cooking functions, including a slow cook option that can cook food for up to 10 hours. The addition of the slow cook option is what separates this oven from its predecessor, the Breville Smart Oven, which we previously reviewed. We are impressed with the LCD screen and tested the various cooking functions by making pizzas, casseroles, cinnamon rolls, and homemade pies, with each test coming out perfectly. It also outperformed expectations when it came to baking cookies, which are notorious for cooking unevenly in small oven spaces, and it is a bit small, with only one cooking rack. You can even modify the presets to customize any function. This machine has an interior light that automatically turns on when the door is open, and it even comes with a baking and broiling tray as well as a non-stick pizza pan. Number 3. Brava Countertop Oven. With the most basic model costing over $1,000, this is a big-time splurge. But for those willing to pay the price for convenience, it's a worthy one. Inside the Brava, your dishes get cooked to perfection by 6 high-powered halogen lamps that heat to 500 degrees in less than a second. That's right, the Brava cooks by using light. We found that we could also cook 2 different dishes at different temperatures at the same time, which quickly became a favorite feature of ours. The oven has 3 zones, each with 2 lamps, that can be customized individually and really can maintain separate temperatures in separate zones. Admittedly, there is a steep learning curve, but with some time and practice, this one became a big hit. Another big highlight for us was the custom cook function. You can essentially create your own cooking presets, which help the oven learn your household's culinary preferences. Brava's compatible app is helpful for sharing recipes with friends via text or social media. You can download custom meal programs from the user library, and your phone will notify you before cooking is complete. Lastly, we found that customer service is quick with answering any questions, plus there's a Facebook group for additional support. Number 4. Breville Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. Since this particular countertop oven is designed specifically for pizza, it has a slightly different aesthetic than other models. It has a retro design that's attractive in an industrial sort of way. Outside of looks, the design is convenient enough, since it's wider than it is tall, which makes it easier to store under your cabinets. If you want to store it between uses, it's easy to transport but heavy. Though functionality is limited, it's a pizza oven designed to make pizza and not much else. It does very well at what it's meant to do. There are actually a variety of settings available, designed for a range of pizza styles including frozen pizza, pan pizza, New York pizza, and wood-fired pizza. In our tests, it made phenomenal frozen pizza with crispy bottoms and well-browned tops. We also found that this was the ultimate machine for nachos, as it produced still crispy chips with gorgeously melted cheese. One of its few downsides is that it's slightly hard to clean, and its included metal pizza peel doesn't work as well as a wooden one. That said, it was the most efficient and fuss-free way we have ever made pizza. It also doesn't have an auto shut-off feature, so you'll need to keep an eye on it while your pizza is cooking. Number 5. June Oven Plus. If you've looked at the June Oven before, you might think, wait, that doesn't have a rotisserie function, but it's a new feature included with the release of the Generation 3 version. The June is an incredibly versatile countertop oven that can do everything from toasting and air frying to proofing dough and acting like a pizza oven. And there's more, it has a compatible smartphone app that allows you to watch a live feed of what's cooking via an internal camera. During testing, it continued to impress whether we wanted to heat up leftovers, toast English muffins, or bake cookies. No matter what we placed in the oven, it recognized the food and gave the correct options for cooking. We also tested the new pizza function, which baked and broiled pizza to crisp precision. Of course, the rotisserie function truly wowed. It's a little hidden, but once you place a chicken in this oven, it will recognize it and begin rotisserie cooking. Unlike cheaper rotisserie-only ovens, many of which get messy inside, this doesn't spin the chicken. Instead, it turns elements on and off, mimicking a spit. The result is one of the best roasted chickens we've ever seen in testing, but you'll pay for that functionality. The June is also one of the more expensive countertop ovens out there. Number 6. Cuisinart TOA 60W Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It may surprise you to learn that some of the best air fryers aren't dedicated air fryers but countertop ovens with air frying functionality. Such is the case with this model by Cuisinart, which fries food to that golden brown, crispy perfection using super hot air circulated by an ultra-powerful fan. Choosing a model like this one is a wise choice for anyone with limited counter space, as it combines two appliances in one, but it's also a great option for families. Traditional air fryers typically don't offer enough space to cook for more than 2 people, but this cooks up to 3 pounds of food at once. We found this to be one of the most compact versions of air fryer, oven combos, and it performs exceptionally well as both. It does run a little hot, so even though French fries and chicken tenders came out golden and tasty, a few were a little too well done. When roasting chickens to test for versatility, this model produced a crispy skinned bird that was also delicious and juicy. The controls are all manual and the inside was a bit tricky to clean, but we found it a very worthy purchase. Number 7. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Breville makes all kinds of technologically advanced countertop kitchen equipment, and it's no surprise our list includes more than one of the brand's models. The Smart Oven Air Fryer adds air frying capacity to all the many functions of the standard Smart Oven we feature above, with a price increase. After testing, we named the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer one of our top picks for air fryers, and it's also a top pick for countertop ovens. We found that it did a great job with both oven functions, including baking cookies, and air fryer functions, such as making incredible French fries. The machine can fit a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread, or almost an entire bag of frozen fries. We are impressed by how easy it is to clean, with a removable crumb tray and fully disassemblable parts that all clean off with a simple rinse or wipe. Another nice feature is its many color options, which will match any kitchen. Just be careful with the door, its glass gets quite hot while in use. After 1 month of continuous use, we can report that this machine is still in prime condition and performs above expectations. It's taken on everything from simple toasted bread to air-fried Brussels sprouts, mozzarella sticks, and homemade chicken nuggets. Everything, yes.